beach or coastal region is a naturally occurring ecosystem where plants and animals coexist with non-living things like rocks, sand, and water. One of the tourist industries with the most rapid growth is beach tourism, where visitors enjoy the three S, which are sea, sun, and sand. However, the beach is witnessing ecological degradation from massive visits from tourists and continuous development that have left a major adverse impact on coastal ecosystem and their functionality. Entertainment activities such as food festivals and exhibitions are one of the human activities that contribute to the ecosystem disturbance, not to mention the rubbish brought in by campers and visitors. Ongoing development has led to the degradation of coastal habitats. One of the adverse impacts on ecosystem is biodiversity loss, including macrofungi. Are there any strategies to conserve macrofungi? For your information, macrofungi can be conserved using a variety of techniques, including three major techniques, which are habitat preservation, in situ preservation of non-mycological reserve, and ex situ preservation of saprotrophic species cultivated in culture. This species' native environment needs to be protected from destruction. However, in contrast with the preservation of other natural life forms like plants and animals, the preservation of fungi has traditionally received less attention. Due to their vulnerability to habitat loss and climate change, which affects the majority of animals and plants, macrofungi also require protection and conservation. In situ conservation, which refers to the preservation of genetic resources in natural populations of plant or animal species, can be implemented by identifying endangered macrofungal species and taking extra care to ensure their population growth. Tourist activities and tribal consumption of wild mushrooms as food must be monitored to increase the population of uncommon species. In the context of ex situ conservation, the organism, time, facilities, and resources available all have a role in the selection of fungal preservation approaches. Numerous techniques can be used in the preservation of fungi, including freeze drying, cryopreservation, soil storage, silica gel storage, mineral oil storage, and continuous growth. However, cryopreservation, on the other hand, is the most effective method for preserving fungi. These long-term preservation techniques ensure the viability, purity, and genetic stability of the strains of the microorganism being preserved for a period of 1 until 20 years.